And what is social media for? As far as when you're using it, especially for entrepreneur business, what is it for? And it's really for three things initially. It's to build up your credibility, build up your expertise, and build trust. Because without those three things, it's hard to be able to do call to actions. It's hard to be able to drive people to, an offer, a landing page, a website. So you have to understand, okay, this is what social media is initially for, is really to be able to engage with your potential audience, with your dream client, your dream audience, and then to talk about things that interest them, to talk about things that they want to know more about, and give them your perspective. What is your viewpoint? What is your angle on it? How do you deal with certain things, and what works for you and what doesn't work for you? All of those type of things are what you're supposed to be sharing on social media. And also, behind the scenes and, just fun stuff that you do, all that kind of stuff, just to really round yourself out as a real person. And this is what I'm about. This is what I do. So knowing that, you realize that it doesn't matter what social media site you use, but it's in how can you talk to your audience? How can you talk directly to your audience in your authentic way? And so Instagram was the best for that, because you could use pictures, you could mix in videos, you could do a lot of different things. You could put a big description, and all of a sudden they're canceling all of that. So it's like, okay, now what do we do? So one of the solutions is, this is the reason why. So when you do the mindset for success training, and especially when you get into the elevate your success training, we talk about the importance of website. When do you need the website? So to have a website, a lot of people put a website up, but it doesn't really have a purpose. They put their about page, and they might have, a lot of times they don't really have a proper offer, or if they do, it's an offer that maybe they think is really awesome, but a lot of people don't really care about. So to have your website, it has to have a purpose too, the same as your social media. And so what you can do, and this is one of the solutions that I'm going to be doing now, is putting more videos on the website, giving direct access, the same type of stuff that I would do on Instagram, but maybe in a longer format, in a more engaging format, to be able to have a place to drive people to, so that it doesn't matter what social media I'm using. If the social media changes, I'm still going to have my home base. My home base is my website, and make sure that the website is engaging and it does the things that the social media posts would do. So that's one of the solutions that you can use. This is how maybe you utilize your website in a better way and give people reasons to come to your website more often.